Sayyidina Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma has stated that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the one who is obedient to his parents in the morning, 2 doors of Jannah open.
Subhanallah.
2 doors of Jannah open for him, and if only one of his parents alive, 1 door of Jannah opens. And the one who is disobedient to Allah Azza wa Jal regarding his parents in the evening, 2 doors of hell get opened for him. And if one's alive, 1 door of hell gets opened for him. A person asked, even if the parents oppress him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, even if they oppress, even if they oppress, even if they oppress. Our parents, they don't oppress us. They're guiding us, they're directing us, they're saving us, they're protecting us from difficulties, from problems they can see ahead that we can't see. Because of our short-sightedness, we can't see that far. They've been there, they've seen those things, and they've learned from that, and they don't want you to make the same mistakes. They're not destroying your life. They're telling you don't make the same mistake. Otherwise, you're going to get hurt, you're going to end up regretting, and you're going to end up hurting yourself. So they're trying to protect you from these things, and we end up thinking they're trying to destroy our life. They're not destroying our life. So inshallah, listen to your parents. They have many words of wisdom. If you can learn from these words of wisdom, a lot of the things in your life, you'll be able to save yourself from many difficulties, inshallah.